Greetings, my children. We love you. We are glad to be connecting this way. This is our message for humanity at this time. See yourself as already completely healed. Claim this version of you. Picture this in your mind. How do you feel? How do you appear? What are your actions? How do you interact with others? See, this version of you already exists now. What is it you wish to experience that you dream of? See yourself accomplishing it. See, feel, hear what it is like to accomplish all that you dream of. Spend more time each day doing this. Imagine yourself already healed in every area of your life. Congratulate yourself for having come a long way from awakening, taking action, and seeing the results of those actions. Use all your senses as you imagine the perfect scenario, the perfect world you live in, the perfect life you wish to have. Everything is possible. It is possible when you can imagine it. And it is possible as you trust and allow your physical world to match that of your imaginary world. The illusionary world reflects your inner reality. It is so. It is time to begin using your true inner power to create the outer reality. It is time to begin using this power from within you, as the energies are ripe, so to speak, to assist you in this endeavor. Nothing will remain the same anymore as you begin using this approach to creating your external reality. Believe in yourself, have faith and trust in this knowledge, and time will bring your imaginary world into the physical. And then give thanks for all your blessings, and for having the courage, strength, and patience to follow through. This is your legacy, creating heaven on the new earth plane. Each one of you will mingle and enjoy in the creation of the new physical earth. Remember to include unity and inclusivity in all your new creations. It is done. It is all yours to create. Welcome to your new creations. We bid you farewell for now. We are your Pleiadian mothers. Call upon us anytime.
That was another empowering message from our Pleiadian mothers, and I love it. I hope you did too. As I sit down to create this video, I am filled with so much hope for humanity and our planet. The Pleiadian mothers are encouraging us to step into our power and take on the role of the Creator inside. This is the role of a fifth-dimensional being. And we each have a team of angels, guides, and higher self to guide us on the next action step to take. We only need to ask. On top of that, our galactic family are freely, joyously, and ceaselessly transmitting energies of higher frequency into our earth plane. Everything is elevating, and anything is possible. You just need to believe this is so. It is time to believe in the unseen. This is the fifth-dimensional way, and with persistence, your inner world will all get reflected onto the screen of space. I wish everyone happy creating. And a reminder from our higher selves, dream big. Here's an intention to help you in your creation process. I have the ability to create a better life for myself and others. I make conscious choices that are positive and productive, and I clear myself of limiting beliefs, and in doing so, I create the life that resonates with my soul. It is done. On that note, I wish for everyone all the blessings of life. I am Oribel Joy Divine, the new Lemurian.